Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to talk about what to buy at Sephora. Whenever I first went into Sephora, I was so overwhelmed with all of the brands that was there, with all of the products. I was so amazed that I literally want to buy almost everything. This is one way how you may feel, another way you want just to get out because it was too much. So today I want to talk about the brands and also products that I would pick up if I will go to Sephora, the ones that really should get your attention. And if you want to find out about my most favorite brands and also products at Sephora, just keep on watching. So the first product that I think worth your attention, this contour cream kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love how it comes with 3 different shades for highlighting and also 3 different shades for contouring. I really think it worth your attention. It is amazing quality. They are so creamy, they blend out beautifully, and they do come with different shade range, so you'll be able to find your shade and your palette. Next palette is by 𝓟𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾𝓬𝓷. So this one is a shade and light contour palette. This one is actually a powder palette. As you can see, mine is very dirty because I use it literally every time I do my makeup. So again, they come with 3 shades for your highlighting and also 3 shades for your contouring and sculpting. I also like that this one is actually refillable, so you can purchase separate shades individually. So when, for example, the shade is out, I can just buy that specific shade and put it inside into this palette. Next products are for brows, and I deeply love both of these products because they give me a different effect. So the first one is DIPBROW by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I really love this product. It is so creamy. You can create natural brow with it. You can create very bold Instagram brow with it. This is what I actually used today when I was filling in my brows. And second one is a Cup Brow by Benefit. What I like is that it already comes with a brush, so you can just detach it and like fill it your brows like that, or you can use it just like this if it's more helpful for you. This is actually a cream gel formula that kind of feels like turned into a powder. If you like more natural looking brow, and also if you like to set your brows with a powder, this product definitely for you. So the next product is Soft Matte Complete Concealer from Nars. I absolutely love this concealer. It's so creamy. It has amazing coverage and also blendability. I like to use it as my primer for my eyeshadows. I also like to use it for my highlighting, and also I like to use it as my concealer for my under eyes. It covers perfectly, it blends beautifully. Absolutely recommend this one. So next product that I love and highly recommend is this Stila liquid eyeshadow. If you like me and you love glitters but you always don't like that fallout that glitters can give you, this one is perfect because they already comes with applicator. You just apply them to your eyes and you get that glitter without that fallout. If you touch them when they already dry out, you will still get that fallout. But if you add them to your eyes, blend them out, and then let them dry and don't touch them after that, your eye looks will be beautiful. So I have different shades: Kitten Karma, Molten, Midnight, and also Smoldering Satin. So this one is perfect for very soft glam looks and usually is very often used when you're creating a bridal looks. And this shade is so gorgeous for a smoky eye look. And I also like this one, which is more bronzy shade than Kitten Karma. The next product is going into highlighters. So my favorite is of course this one by Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy. I think this highlighter is so gorgeous and I cannot believe they didn't make this one a permanent one. I love this one so much. So this one comes in a hybrid gel powder formula that just makes a gorgeous highlight into your skin. It kind of like blends and melts into your skin, so it never looks powdery. And also I really like this shade. Just look at it. It is breathtaking. So because that one was limited edition, I have alternative for you. So this one is a glow kit in Sun Dipped by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this highlighter so much. So this is actually a palette, so it comes with 4 different highlighters. My favorite is this one, Summer, but you can actually use them depending on how tan you are, what skin tone, or what different looks you use. So I like to use also this one depending on what kind of like eye makeup I have, for my inner corner highlight, for my brow bone highlight. And also this shade is gorgeous. You can use it even as a shadow. and also I like to use when I'm more tanned. So the formula is gorgeous. It also blends out beautifully. It gives you gorgeous glow. I really love it, especially if you add Fix Plus to your brush. You can achieve breathtaking glow of your highlighter. So the next product that definitely worth your attention is this amazing contour and strobe lip sets from Huda Beauty. So the ones that I have is in Muse Angelic. So the kit comes with 3 different products. It is liquid matte lipstick, it is a lip strobe, and also it is lip contour. What I like about this kit is that you have 2 mini products and you're also getting a full size product. So lip contour is actually a full size, and almost for the price of this full size product you're getting 2 extra ones. And how gorgeous is this packaging? You can use this for so many different things. I actually keep it on my shelf. So first of all, I want to talk about formula. I like the formula so much of all 3 products. This is one of my most favorite liquid lipsticks formulas. I also love this lip strobe so much. They're perfect, that lip gloss that's gonna shine and have that strobing effect on your lips. And also lip contour lip liners are very creamy. I love this kit so much and definitely worth picking up. So next one is a skincare brand and it is Glam Glow. I love their mask and treatment so much. So this one is a gravity matte treatment. So this one firms your skin and it also gets rid of those fine lines. So this one is a peeling off mask. You just apply it to your skin, then you wait 15-20 minutes, you peel it off, and voila, you have a gorgeous lifted and plumped skin, and you also will see that your fine lines visibly disappear just after one use. So that's why I actually got a mega size. And look at this cute brush that it came with. Like, how cute is this? Absolutely love this mask, and you should use it twice per week. And next one is a new addition. I have like a little sample size. I use that one up and I got myself a full size. So this one is a Use Matte. So it's anti-aging, fine line, smoothing, refining, and glowing. So what I like is that you apply a thin layer to your skin, you're waiting for 10 minutes, and you start feeling that tingling effect within those 10 minutes. I usually feel it within the first minute, and then you kind of like add water to your hands and you start massaging into your skin. So this exfoliates your skin, and then you wash it off. And you will see a glowing, beautiful skin. It also plumps up your skin, and again you will see those fine lines disappearing. I love anti-aging treatments, and these 2 are my most favorite. I also like this set that I also picked up from Glam Glow. This one is Glow Starter Mega Illuminizing Moisturizer. So this is moisturizer that will give you that Hollywood skin effect. It will give you a lot of hydration, but also that beautiful glow to your skin. It comes with 3 different shades, and you can find the one that works for your skin tone. So the next topic will be huge because I really love eyeshadows. This is one of the most favorite products that I love to purchase. I'm quickly gonna talk about my most favorite brands and also those eyeshadow palettes that worth your buck. So the first 2 palettes are by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Soft Glam and also Modern Renaissance. So Soft Glam, as you can see, is a gorgeous palette. It was created for bridal looks. You can see that you can create a very soft, beautiful glam looks, and you can also create a more smoked out nighttime glam. Modern Renaissance palette was actually inspired by that Modern Renaissance time with all of these beautiful shades that were used in those paintings. So I really like the spite of creativity that this palette usually gives me. And you can see again, you can create more stunning everyday looks, you can create more bright looks, you can also create a smoke eye looks with this palette. So the formula is beautiful, eyeshadows blends out beautifully, they're very creamy and pigmented. They do have a fallout. I would say they're more tender, more soft formula, but I love it. I really truly love it. It's more reminding me kind of like a pressed pigment. So you need to be careful with these palettes, but they will definitely be worth your buck. I love them so much. Next brand is Too Faced. I actually love so many products from this brand, and this is a Just Peachy matte palette. So you can see this palette comes with the matte shades. I think they're very amazing and stunning for creating that everyday looks, soft glam looks. It also kind of reminds me of spring, so every time in the spring when I open this palette, I just feel like it's there. And also it smells like peaches. What can be better? So all of the products from Too Faced infused with some sorts of like cocoa powder or peaches or fig cream. So they're very amazing technology. They have a lot of inspiration behind the brand, and I also like how they came out with different ideas and they use that scent that just boosts your creativity. Next palette is so huge, and this one is Sephora Pro palette. So the one that I have is Pro Pigment palette in warm, and you can see how huge this is. Oh my god, it barely fits my screen. So you can see it comes with tons of warm shades. You can again create everyday looks. They have glittery shades, they have matte shades. The quality is so amazing. Like, these pigments definitely needs your attention. They come out with so many different types. They have cool palette, warm palette, they have more like electric, very bright palette, and they coming up with even more like nude palette coming up. I really like them, and I feel like sometimes people don't really pay attention to Sephora brand, but it is amazing quality, you guys. So you should definitely check them out, swatch them in store, and compare them to a very high end and see the difference. And of course, I have to talk about Huda Beauty palettes. If you know me, you know how much I love the brand. So currently, I have 5 palettes from Huda Beauty. So I have the first Rose Gold textured eyeshadow palette. So this one is the first one that she released. I really still love this palette. It is so gorgeous. I believe it's no longer available because they created a remastered version of this palette, which I also have and will be talking about next. And next one was a Desert Dusk palette that was inspired by gorgeous dusks at the desert, and you can see the gorgeous photo of Huda on top of the palette. And then inside it comes with so many beautiful shades, matte shades, they have shimmery shades, they have one pressed glitter, and they also have these dual chrome shades. This palette is definitely worth your attention. And of course, Rose Gold Remastered. So this palette came out as a remastered version of the first Rose Gold Edition palette. So you can see Huda Beauty created a gorgeous packaging. So here she again on the top of the palette. And then inside you can find a lot of gorgeous shades that were in the first palette, but also the formula was changed. And they took into consideration all the reviews that they got from the customers, and they created this beautiful palette with more new shades and remastered, renewed formula of some of the older shades. Love this palette. Like, every time I look at it, I just want to create something with it. And of course, if you think that those palettes cost too much, you can pick up a little mini palettes, which is Obsession palettes from Huda Beauty. So I have 2, and they actually release more and more now. This family is grown up to so many Obsessions palettes, and I'm sure everybody will be able to find the one that will spike their creativity. So I have Mauve Obsessions, and you can see it comes with more like brownish, reddish, and rose gold pinky shades. I really like this one. I was lacking of those shades, and I was like more towards them that I got this palette. And I also got Electric Obsessions. So what I like about this one is that it comes with so many bright shades. You usually don't use them, but sometimes you need them, and I like that in this small tiny palette comes a lot of different shades that you can use for so many colorful looks. And if you look at the palette, it is actually the pan size of them the same as in a big palette. In between the eyeshadow, actually the space is not that big, which made them able to create this tiny small palette that is perfect for traveling, because they do come actually with a mirror. I think they are perfect for a girl on the go, the one who wants just to grab a little palette. They're also great for traveling, so you should definitely check out this Obsessions palette. And now I want to talk about things that you should pay attention when you're shopping at Sephora. So you definitely should be getting into the Beauty Insider program. You're getting points whenever you're shopping at Sephora, and you're also getting your gift during your birthday months. So don't forget to pick one during your birthday months at Sephora stores or when you're shopping online. And next one, when you're using your points, I actually like to spend them on something like this. This is a 500 point set. So as you can see, I got a Glam Glow set. So this brand is very expensive, as we all know, and you usually want to test out and try out products. So just spending my points, not even extra buck, I was able to try a lot of their products. So this is a great way to spend your points. And always pay attention to the sales section. Whenever you're shopping online or also in a store, check out those sales, because sometimes your favorite brands are there on sales, like Anastasia Contour Cream Set was on sale for 50% off. Just imagine. Mind-blowing. So always check that section. I really hope that you like this video and it was helpful and you find out more about shopping at Sephora. Let me know what other videos you want to see on my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!